Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zana and this is my spring try-on haul. I'm in the midst of editing, but I wanted to tell you guys about this new thing that I'm implementing in my channel, which is I'm going to be shouting out the first person to like, subscribe, and comment on this video or any one of my other videos. You can't just do one, you would have to do all three in order to be shouted out. And when you're done, comment down below so I know, and the first person to do all of those three things will get a shout out in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the comments. And okay, so if you skipped that last part, then okay. If you didn't, then you know, comment down below. But this is obviously my spring challenge haul. As I already said, I went to 3 different stores. 1 was in person and 2 of them were online. Tilly's and Forever 21 I did online shopping for, and then I went to PacSun to try on brandy melville because I don't actually have a brandy melville in my area. So I will show you guys first what I tried on at Brandy and do a voiceover for that, and then we can get on to what I got. Okay, so the first item of clothing that I tried on was this ribbed crop top from obviously Brandy Melville. It had these demon cherry embroideries on it, which was really cute. I really like the whole like cropped tank top feel of it. I think it's very like summer, and just the whole design of it was very nice. It's very comfortable, so you could even wear it as like a pajama shirt, although if you're going to pay $18 for a shirt, I'm pretty sure you aren't going to wear it as a pajama shirt, but to each his own, I suppose. I would recommend this shirt. I didn't get it because it was too expensive, but I liked it. This next top was much like the other one in a way, because it was cropped and ribbed. Just be careful if you're going to get that shirt. Just be wary of the bra that you're wearing because the straps are very thin, so I would advise maybe wearing it with like a strapless bra or whatever, but this was really cute. This next skirt that I tried on was this red plaid skirt, which if you follow Brandy Melville on any type of social media, you've seen this skirt. I've also tried on another skirt with a different design, but like the same type of skirt. I didn't really like it, so there's not much to say about that. These jeans I actually did end up liking. I really only wear like high-waisted jeans. I don't like low-rise because 1, they're not fashionable, and 2, they're not comfortable, so I don't get them. But these jeans are really cute. If they were on sale, I might have purchased them, but they weren't, so I didn't. And that's all for Brandy Melville. These do still have the tag on them because I didn't actually like really try them on yet, so you guys are really seeing like not my first impression, because I've filmed this video a couple of times. I just didn't like the way that it turned out. Okay, the next thing I got from Tilly's, I only got 2 things. I'd just like to mention everything I got from PacSun, from Tilly's and from Forever were all on clearance, so we shop at a budget around here. But this is a crystal necklace. It's pink. It's actually more like a 2-in-1 necklace. It's very complicated to put on, I must say. That's the only con about it, I would say. It's very complicated to put on. It looks pretty mundane if you look at it, but it's also very complicated, and my camera will not focus. Okay, there we go. But yeah, it's kind of complicated to put on, but it's very cute and it's really easy to style, I think. So yeah, and this was like $2. The first thing I got from Forever 21 were these mom shorts, which if you don't know are basically mom jeans but shorts. It's kind of self-explanatory, but I got these in a size 24. If you can't understand the size chart, or if you don't know your measurements, if you are like a size 0, then you're probably either a size 23 or 24. So that's kind of like the equivalent. Okay, I just dropped that, but that's what I do. Okay, again, the lighting is very not consistent, so I'm really trying to like get this sunlight in, so if it looks a little weird, it is. But these are also another pair of shorts that I got. They're basically the same design as the black shorts, but they're just in a dark denim color. I don't actually have anything this color, so I was actually really lucky to find it. and especially at such a cheap price. I mean, for everything at Forever 21 is pretty cheap, but these were again on sale, so bargain shopping. The next thing I got were these white dolphin shorts in a size extra small. These are really cute for like loungewear if you're kind of just like in the house and you're writing a song or you're reading a book or anything that you want to do while you're a teenager, or maybe you're not a teenager, but most people that watch me are a teenager. So either way, these pants are for you. They're very cute. I just like to say this is not sponsored. If Forever 21 wants to sponsor me, business email down below, but these are really cute to spend the summer in these shorts. Next up is this cream top. As you can tell, I have very good coordination, but this is in a size small because I didn't have an extra small. The only con that I would say is it looks very elongated. I don't know, but it looks cropped, but like the neckline of it looks elongated. I have to try it on to see, but honestly, it looks really cute and it's easy to pair with something, so not going to complain. Next up, I got this ribbed camisole. It's very fitted, so if you don't like fitted clothes, I probably wouldn't advise you to get it. On first glance, it looks fitted, obviously, because it is a size small, so it's going to be tight. So I have to try this on, but honestly, it's very cute, easy to pair. The last thing I got was this halter bralette.
Yay, another voiceover, but I just forgot to mention this. I was planning on trying this on. It did actually end up fitting me like a shirt, but it just shows a lot of cleavage, and I'm not going to put all that out on the internet. So just know it fit like a regular halter bralette, but it definitely shows a lot of chest. So if you're not comfortable with that, I wouldn't advise you to get it unless you are solely wearing it for the purpose of a bralette and not a shirt.
Okay, this is actually the end of the video, obviously, but thank you guys so much for watching this. If you want more videos like this, comment down below. I know my brandy Melville inspired outfit of the week got like almost 130 views, which is so crazy. So thank you guys so much for that. But if you want more videos like that, if you want me to purchase brandy, or if you want me to DIY brandy, whatever you guys, even if it's not like brandy related, if it's just clothing related, just comment down all the videos you guys want to see below. I look at all my comments. Thank you guys so much for the views, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Have a good day or morning or night or wherever you are. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.